Hey guys, today let's learn how to create consistent characters in ChatGPT. So if you guys would like to go ahead and create consistent characters over on ChatGPT, what we need to go ahead and do first is to launch the ChatGPT website. Now, I have already done that and also logged onto my preferred accounts, but what we need to go ahead and make sure of first is that we are currently using GPT-4. So if you are on the free version of ChatGPT, by default, you are going to have ChatGPT 3.5. What you need to go ahead and do is to upgrade to the Plus subscription to have DALL-E 3, which allows you to create characters on there. So what we could actually do now is to just tap on this option, pay for their subscription, and once that is already done, we can actually now proceed with asking ChatGPT under the GPT-4 system to create an image of whatever we'd like. So let's create an image of a dog drinking coffee. So we can actually now enter this on the ChatGPT and allow DALL-E 3 to create this image for us. Now, once we have the specific and detailed character of what we would like to have from ChatGPT, what we can actually do next is to ask ChatGPT to provide me the gen ID for this image. Now, what that is going to do is it's going to provide you the gen ID, which is basically the identification number of that specific photo that DALL-E 3 has created for you. And then you actually enter that gen ID on future prompts so that it's going to base off that specific prompt on the previous image that ChatGPT and DALL-E 3 has created. So what we could actually do in order for us to structure this prompt is to, let's say, create an image of a dog drinking coffee in a swimming pool. So we could actually now add a period on there and then follow, this is the gen ID of the image that I want you to base off of. So what we can actually do now is to enter the gen ID right here, and then it's going to base its prompt on that specific gen ID and of the previous image it has created for you, allowing you to create consistent characters in ChatGPT. And essentially that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.